But if I did, go watch it. Go watch it. Welcome back to my channel. We're here today to do feed and cornrow braids. Nice protective style for your natural hair. I didn't want to wear my hair out no more because it was stressing me out. I got my hair natural. Finally got it curly. Then I did the protein treatment. Then I did too much treatment. Then I just did too much. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to put it in braids for now because I need a little break. I need a break from wigs. I need a break from natural hair. I need a break from it all. Break. 2020, this how we coming. Snatch. I took 2 out so I can show you guys real quick how to do it yourself. It's like the feed-in braids. So as you can tell, you see these braids. I got them done. And then this side I have them done. It's 6 simple feed-in braids when you don't want to deal with your natural hair. Yeah, girl, it's the winter time. Nobody want to be doing natural hair all day, washing goes and all that all day, every day. So sometimes you want to put your hair up to a protective style. It's a quick and easy protective style you can use. And follow me, like, subscribe this channel. If you want to see more videos of how I take care of my hair under my wigs as well, I can do a video on that. But like I said, like, subscribe, continue watching so we can get into this video. My mirror set up right here. I got a little sparse right here. Don't judge that. I'll show you how to cover that up. Like I said, my hair is very thin at the top, but I have really thick hair, but I got this thin situation. Trying, y'all. Trying. Boom. Grease your little hairs. Next step, have your little comb. Make sure you get your parts straight. I did all my parts before the video, and people say it's really hard to part your hair by yourself. But what I do is take a mirror and stand behind another mirror. So I did in the bathroom. So I'll have a mirror behind me and I have a mirror in front of me. So I'll do like this so I can see what I'm doing in the front and I can see my parts in the back. Easy. Just have to look a little mirror so you can see. This here, XPRESSION's Ultra braid. It's like already pre-stretched. You ain't even gotta stretch the hair. The back, it looks like this, pre-stretched. You ain't even gotta stretch the hair, so that's why my ends look like this. You ain't gotta do all that pulling stuff down. And I only used 1 pack. This is 27 because I wasn't sure what color I was, so I got 1 pack of 27, and I also got 1 pack of 30. But yeah, and 1 pack was $5.99. It's cheap as hell. So I'm doing my own hair for $5.99 when somebody would charge me like $100 for this hairstyle. Well, where I live at, DMV area, they charge like $300. They be wild over here. I don't know what them. They be a whole other ball game. So next step is I separate the hair like in little pieces because we're doing feed-in braids. Separate the hair in little pieces. Boom. Some pieces are smaller than others and some pieces are bigger than others depending on what part of the braid I'm doing. And take that jam. I got long nails, so either I put it on the back of my hand, pick it up like this, put it in the back of my hand, and then put it all on the edges of my hair. Like I said, I got a mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm not going to use you guys. Camera, focus.
Ryan Little.
My baby hairs out. If you want to consider these baby hairs, I keep them out so I could fix them up later. It's shaky, y'all. My hair is shaky. So first thing you do is part here, right? Take 3 parts. Act like you're doing a dolly hair, but it's your hair. Some people be like, I can't braid. Yes, you can. I started learning how to braid by practicing on like dolls' hair when I was younger. So all you gotta do is practice. Practice makes perfect. Now I take this finger and see how it's like this piece is longer. I bend it up a little bit. Take this finger, push this hair back, and start braiding over the hair. And then the second time my finger comes out, I pull this back. And that's how you do a feed-in braid. Now, next piece of hair. Take that, like I said, I gotta do smaller pieces in the front and thicker in the back. Take that piece. Take that piece under this finger. Put this in the, leave this in the front. Braid it. Put my covering. Trying to go closer so y'all can see. Like I said, I'm a little sparse up here, but we're gonna fix that. Put that in. The next time you see your finger, pull it back again. Y'all can see that. You can see my fingers out one more time. Take another piece, no matter how big it is at this point, because it's going towards the back now. So every time that finger come out, it's grabbing onto something. See that? Braid. Okay, I already parted it to 2 parts. So once again, take your 3 parts in the front. So like a box braid. Just get in there a couple of times. And then you go to your second part. That one connects to that. And that's when you add your hairs. So that's done. Now let me show you how to cover that part up. You take like a cover up or like a mascara or anything you got, and you just brush in the parts. First of all, my hair is dyed, so the red looks like lighter than what it's supposed to be. So that also makes it kind of hard.
Ryan Little.
My camera overheated, so I had to come back. Yeah, so after you braid it through your baby hairs, put some mousse on it. Don't put the mousse on your baby hairs. Put the mousse on your braids. Yeah, take some mousse and put it on your braids. Put a head tie on. Take some hot water. Got hot water right here. Dip your braids so they don't come out when you top. Oh, got a towel. That's nice. Got your braids. This is to seal them in. It'll stay straight down. Do the next side. Straight. Then your head tie. This is the final look. Curly sew all the time, but you see how I covered that up, and this is the final result for these braids. Save you some coins, girl. This is it. Don't be like me and keep it on for 2 seconds, because your hair is gonna do what it wants to do. You ain't gonna have nothing to say about it. You hear me? Say about it. Yeah, so that's the final results. That's the hairstyle. Thanks for coming to watching my channel. Like, subscribe. See y'all later. Deuces. I want more videos with natural hair protection styles. Let me know. Comment below. Like, subscribe. See y'all later.